In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the tow mirrors on this F-350. These are manual towing mirrors, so there's no power going to them. Let's get started. Remove this trim panel at the top of the door by pulling on it. Remove the master window switch by prying it up on the front, sliding it forward. And once you have it out, you can flip it around and disconnect all the electrical connectors by pressing on their corresponding tabs. Set this aside. There's a 7mm screw right where the master window switch used to be. Remove it. Make sure it doesn't fall inside the door. Right where this red lens is, there's a 7mm screw, so we're gonna have to pop this out with a pocket screwdriver. And right in here, remove it. Now you'll be able to grab the door panel, lift it straight up, and pull it away from the door. Where that red lens was, from behind the door panel, you have a bulb that you have to twist counterclockwise and unplug. Now you can pull the door panel away. Let's remove the speaker. Use a 6mm socket and remove the 4 screws that hold it on. Take it out. You don't necessarily have to unplug it. You can just stick it to the side of the door over here. In here you'll find the connector for the mirror. So with a pocket screwdriver, if needed, push on the tab and disconnect the connector. Remove these 2 rubber plugs. Now use an 11mm socket and remove the 4 mounting nuts holding the mirror onto the door. I'm going to leave the top ones for last. Hold the mirror on this last one so it doesn't fall off. Pull it away from the door with the wiring. And there it is. What you'll have to do on the new mirror is take the hardware with the coarse threaded side and start it into the mirror itself. This is how we're going to attach it to the door. Use a 10mm socket to do this and just bottom out all 4 of these studs. All right, now let's get the mirror on the door. Now put the mirror through the door. Have 1 mounting nut ready, thread it on. With 1 threaded on, you can let go of the mirror and put the other ones on. As you tighten these, you want to make sure they're all even. That way the gasket squishes on, and as you tighten it, you might notice that the mirror starts pulling in towards the door. That's normal. You want that gasket to squish a little bit. I'm going to torque these to 70 inch-pounds. Double check them all. They're all torqued. Put the 2 rubber caps back. Take the speaker and put it back on. Make sure the connector is facing towards the bottom of the door. Start in the mounting bolts. Snug these up, and when you do, make sure you don't over tighten them. They are going into plastic. You do, however, want to make sure that they are snug so that the speaker doesn't rattle around as it's playing music. Let's put the door panel back on. Make sure all the wires go through. Over here, reinstall the bulb socket. Turn it clockwise to lock it in. And make sure that all the hooks line up on the bottom. Line up the rest of the hooks. With everything lined up, tap it down. Reinstall this screw at the bottom. Make sure that's snug, and reinstall this cover. Reinstall the screw at the top. Make sure that's snug. Let's plug all the electrical connectors back in. With everything reconnected, slide the back of the switch panel in, and then the front. Tap it down. Reinstall this panel. And there you have it.